We can use if statement to run some certain code depending on different situation. First, let's create a Boolean variable. Bool name is tall and give it a value true. We use if keyword to create a if statement. So if and then parentheses. We put the condition inside of this parentheses. It's tall. Then curly brackets. Inside of this curly brackets, we will run some code. Say out tall. If the condition is tall inside of this if statement is true, then program will run this code inside this if block. If its tall is not true, then it will skip this if block. And we can add else block after if block. So and then inside this else block we will say out not tall. If this if statement condition is false, and then it will run the code inside this else block. So let's build this file. Then let's run this code. It will print out tall in our terminal. If we change this its tall value to false, let's build this file again and run this code. It will run the code inside this else block. It will print out not tall in our terminal. We can use else if to add more choice to our if else statement. So let's create another Boolean variable. It's heavy, and give this variable value to true. And then between if and else, we can add else if and parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we will put the condition. So we'll put it's heavy here, and curly brackets. Inside this curly brackets, we will write some code. Heavy. And this else block will not tall and not heavy. If this if statement condition is false, then it will check the condition inside this else if block. So if this condition is true, it will run the code inside this else if block. So let's build this file and run this code. Because this if statement is false and this else if is true, then it will print out heavy in our terminal. So if we change this is heavy to false, let's build this file and run this code again. It will print out not tall and not heavy because its tall is false and its heavy also is false. Then it will skip the if and else if block, and it will run the code inside this else block. We can add as many as else if block between this if and else block, but we can only have one if block and else block. I think this is some basic about if statement. So hope see you next time.